Hello and welcome. According to the Pathfinder poll application, in this video I will try to review two projects together. And first one is Satori network and the second one is Rivalz AI. Let's start with Satori network. While I'm recording this video, Satori network is located around 1,900 place on CoinGecko and it has a market cap around $8 million. Let's go to the webpage and see the first visuals and slogan. Slogan is telling us open source, non-profit, decentralized AI, future Oracle. And we can see an Oracle sitting in the icon as well. This project is being built for making predictions about future by using its own decentralized AI infrastructure. So this is a unique project. We will try to understand a little bit better in a minute. Let's check the CoinGecko basics first. So the total supply is 300,000 currently, which is correct. We can confirm by checking the Explorer. On Explorer, we can see that number in here. For circulation supply, we can make our own calculation according to the information in here. So according to me, circulation supply is moving around 250,000, which is making around 80% of circulation supply currently. So the maximum supply is way too much more. As you can see, there's a number around 4 million, which is correct. We will see it on the web page while checking the tokenomics. So currently the project is a very young project. When we check the chart, we can confirm it has been listed on CoinGecko for the last 2 months. And the total supply is increasing rapidly nowadays. An early project which has a maximum supply a bit too much currently, but when we check the tokenomics, we will understand it is a long-term project. So let's check the markets now. So we can confirm it has been listed on 2 exchanges. One is SafeTrade and the other one is TradeOgram. Before going deeper, let's have a quick summary. According to the tokenomics, the risk is between medium and low, and it is closer to the medium. According to the price and chart, the risk is between medium and low, and it is again closer to the medium. According to the markets, there is a bit risk because the market quantity is not too many. We can confirm there are only 2, and these exchanges security points is a bit lower than the other ones, so we need to keep an eye on it. This project needs to make some other listings soon. Let's continue with GitHub. They have 13 shares on GitHub and 5 of them are being updated regularly, which is a great number for a project moving around 1,900 on CoinGecko. When we check the Twitter, the posts are coming up regularly, no problem on Twitter getting a check mark. So let's now go back to the webpage and try to understand what this project is all about. Then we will go through the webpage as fast as possible. So the project does not have its own blockchain. So it is located on EVR chain, EVR, which I will not mention more in this video. So the project has a token on top of this chain. The token is Satori token, and the project has a decentralized AI infrastructure. So there is no chain, but there is a decentralized AI infrastructure which is connecting each other. The nodes are connected. The nodes are being called as neurons. They're connected each other, creating a decentralized AI infrastructure. So this decentralized AI infrastructure is getting information from the real world and making predictions about future. This is an oracle, a real oracle which is trying to predict the future. So we, the users, are able to use a search box located in here, and then we can get information from this decentralized AI infrastructure. And we can get information about the future predictions, which is beneficial for us. Currently, using this search box is free, But in the future, the ecosystem will work as in a way, if you provide a node infrastructure, if you help the network run, you will get tokens, which is currently running. You will get Satori tokens. And when you want to use the search box, getting the information, the prediction data, you will need to use Satori tokens. So this is how the ecosystem will work in the future, but currently it is free to use. And also, the project is trying to make the infrastructure fully decentralized without any distortion. So they are trying to create a decentralized autonomous organization currently, and after some point, after everything works well, they want to leave the infrastructure as an autonomous way. So this is what this project all about currently. So let's continue with the web page. After the slogan, there is a video in here which is describing the project in a perfect way. This is a really great video. If you're interested, please come to this page and watch that video. And let's see how this search bar works currently. So if I write BNB, it cannot find anything, but if I write finance, it can find something. As you can see, when I click, I see on November, there is a prediction. So we have a chart, and at the end of the chart, we have a prediction point. Currently, of course, we are in January 2025. This is not beneficial for us, but we can see how the product is working. Let's continue with these links. When we come to the vision, we can see the light paper of this project. If you're interested, you can read this. And the next one is the roadmap. Minimum viable product is already running. Peer-to-peer network is already running. Satori neurons are running. Service and infrastructure are running. And right now they are working on adding GPT infrastructure, smart contracts, multi-signature rewards, fully decentralized autonomous organization, etc. You can check the details by clicking them. Next one is the tokenomics, which is the most important part. So we are around here currently, 2025, around here currently, our total supply is 300,000. And as you can see, in 2026, it's going to be 1 million, and then it will continue to increase. But the speed of increase will decrease. So as you can see here, it's going to decrease, decrease, decrease. And at some point around 2030s, 2035, around those numbers, it will start to move in sideways. So the price will be pushed up around these points significantly. But we need to keep an eye on the project if everything goes well until that point. This is a long-term project. We can see it very clearly in here. A serious long-term project. And the maximum supply number, which is around 4 million, it's shown in here. If you come here with your cursor, you can see the number. So this is what tokenomics, and when we go down a little more, we can see the daily minting manifest, the rewards, percentages, predictions, oracles, inviters, development, and maintain infrastructure. So basically in here, you make the mining currently, you help the decentralized artificial intelligence network run, and then you get the rewards. And while you're getting the rewards, some of the rewards are being divided to continue development of the project. And it's a fair launch project without a premine, airdrop, etc. So the next one is the team. When we come to this page, we can see the team, and the project is getting a check mark according to the team. You can see they have their LinkedIn links. You can click them, you can find them. They are active in front of the camera as well. So the next one is the join and download. When we come to the download, we can see there are some links downloading the client and making the mining. To see the details, you need to come to the join. You can see the client interface in here. You can use this client only for wallet and configuration, etc. Or you can use it for mining as well. So if you want to mine, you need to go down on this web page. You need to come to this video, how to set up a Satori neuron on Windows. When you click this, you will come to this page, and in this video, in 15 minutes, you will be able to learn how to deploy and run your nodes. And currently, earning Satori tokens are being done by only mining it. So for Satori network, we have checked the web page as well. Let's try to analyze now the project. Let's start with the negatives. So actually there is no big negative in the project. There are some small negatives. 2 centralized exchanges. We need to keep an eye on that. It needs to increase. The quantity needs to increase. And the total supply is currently moving upwards significantly in the coming 1 year. We need to keep an eye on that one as well. And this is a very long-term project, a hard-to-build long-term project. We need to keep an eye on that one as well. For the positives, we can find the team members. It's transparent. We can see the development under GitHub. This is really good. The idea is really good. It is a very simple to understand the UIs, etc. And the minimum viable product is already running. And the explanation video is great. So if this infrastructure starts to create valuable information, I am interested to use this search box as well. So there are many positive things on this project as well. So let's now try to analyze price-wise. If we are entering a huge bull market, of course, the price will jump at some point and then it's gonna drop. The question is if it will be dropped more than the point it has started to increase. So for this project, there is this risk. It is possible because the total supply is increasing significantly nowadays. And also there are many other projects, meme coins, AI agents, etc. Strong projects like this one, starting without budget. These projects are having hard times to show themselves in the crypto industry. That is why if bear market hits hard while the total supply is increasing and the trends are moving in another way, there is a possibility for this project to drop lower than the point it has started to increase. So we need to keep an eye on this one as well. If the crypto industry is moving sideways or in a bear way, so the project's price will go down slowly. I do not expect a huge drop for this project. And according to the location on CoinGecko, so it is moving around 1,900 currently. If you ask me, this project deserves between 1,000 and 1,500 now. But as I told, there are many other trends currently. Trump is creating his own meme coin. There are many other meme coins, AI agents, etc. So this project most probably will move between 1,500 to 2,000 for some time in a short and middle term. So after having a bit better total supply situation, a bit mature situation, if everything goes well in the infrastructure and that search box, if that search box creates valuable information, then I expect a movement from this project more than 1,500 in a middle term. And if it resumes to moving that way, I expect a move into the first 1,000. And after the first 1,000, for me it is possible in 2 years. If everything goes well, we need to check the project again. Actually, the idea of the project is great, and if this infrastructure works great, this project has a potential to move significantly in the crypto industry, but we do not know what will happen yet. So that's all for this project. That's all I can say. Let's now switch to the second project. It is a Rivalz AI. Rivalz AI currently does not have ranking information on CoinGecko because the token is not created yet for this project. This project is still under a pre-sale phase, and the pre-sale is not for its tokens as well. They are selling the node claims currently. You get your nodes and you are able to make mining and create tokens, but the token itself has not been created yet. So there is no CoinGecko page, there is no token supply, etc. We will try to understand what this project is, what is Z-node sale, and what we can do with this sale currently. So the project slogan is telling us World Abstraction Layer for AI. What this slogan is telling us, the AI agents are having some hard times to get information from real world. So Rivalz is creating a layer-based infrastructure to bring the real world data by humans into this infrastructure, and the AI agents will be able to benefit from this data in a better way. So this is a very complex project actually. It is very hard to understand. So I will not draw some boxes. We will try to understand the project in here. So following the slogan, as you can see, they have raised $9 million from the capitals, not from the individuals. The individuals currently purchasing the Z-nodes, but this $9 million is coming from the capitals before the Z-node sales. So after the slogan, join testnet, we can see a basic explorer in here, which is a complex one. We will try to see it in a minute. So if we click learn more, it's going to forward us to documentation. We can see some partners in here. And in here, we can see the main things about the infrastructure. So there is this data module, which is a decentralized physical infrastructure. We provide free space and computational claim, and then this space is being used by storing the data coming from the real world, and the AI computation is making the computations by using this data. So by using this, users can create applications, and then the connectivity between these infrastructures are happening by ADCS infrastructure, and then the humans or agents are collaborating together, and everything can be tokenized by the layer 2 infrastructure. So this project has basically a deepened decentralized physical infrastructure, which is created by free space and a layer 2 network together. So it's a quite complex project to understand. So the next one is a Rivalz alliance. If you are creating an application by using this infrastructure, so you are joining the alliance. As you can see, there are 4 applications currently. If you want to create something, you can apply for grants. So when we go down a little bit more, we can see some statistics. Even in the early phases, testnet phases, this infrastructure are being used by many people. It is quite popular. So we can see the ecosystem. This ecosystem are showing the brands which are working together with Rivalz, apply to join. When we go down a little bit more, the first time I see this, when I see the Z-node and this picture, I assumed the Z-nodes are machines, physical machines, but they are not. So when you purchase a Z-node, you purchase the claim of making mining. But to make mine, you share your free space on your computer, which we will see in a minute. Let's see the purchase link first for Z-nodes. We come to this page. And currently, as you can see, tier 1 sold out, tier 2 sold out, and the last one, tier 3, is about to be sold out. If you want to purchase, you can connect your wallet, and then you can come to here, you can write the amount, and you can purchase it. The claim of mining possibility. When we go down a bit more, Rivalz simplified. Humans enter the agentic economy, humans monetize resources and data. And the next one is agents use resources, data, and intelligence. And the last one is together, agents and humans create new economies and applications, which is the basic idea. Latest news, block shares in here. If you click show more, you will be able to see all the others, but the block shares for this project are quite slow in the last months, and we do not have a YouTube channel for this project as well, which is creating some problems because the project is quite complex to understand. The people who joined the pre-sale could not understand the tutorials. So this project needs to release some blog shares as tutorials, and this project needs to create a YouTube channel. If you know a YouTube channel, official YouTube channel for this project, if you share the link, I will be happy because I could not find it. For the team, when we come to YouTube, we can write Rivalz AI interview, and we can see the team members, especially in this first video, Crypto Coin Show. As you can see, the Iger, the CEO of Rivalz Network. So the project is getting a check mark according to the team. So let's now check the last links in here. We have checked the Rivalz Alliance, or we have checked these are the partners, RECO, and the other ones are the infrastructure elements which we have mentioned in here: data model, application model, connectivity model, etc. So the next one is Z-Node rewards. We can click and we can learn about the Z-Node rewards in the documentation page. And the documentation is sufficient currently, but it is quite complex. For Z-Node sale, which we have seen, the Twitter shares are normal, blog shares are slowed down, and the Calyx is providing an airdrop possibility for us. We make some quests and then we get some airdrops. The last link we need to mention is located under the Z-Node at top menu, and this is the Z-Node management panel. So let's now try to check this part. Let's remember the Z-Node sale purchase place. So first we come here, connect our wallet, we purchase our Z-Nodes, and then when we come to Z-Node management panel, we come to this page, we connect our wallet, and we can see our Z-Node claim in here. So we can burn our Z-Node claim. If we burn, we will be able to get some tokens when the tokens are minted. So the tokens have not been minted yet. They will be minted at the end of January, most probably. If we burn our Z-Node claim, we can claim our tokens in this page after they have minted. So if we do not want to burn our Z-Node, we need to come to the page which we have purchased again in here. Then we need to come to this menu, we need to switch to the mines, then we need to connect our wallet. After connecting to wallet, we need to come to this link, the pin link, we need to open here. Then we need to download the client, we need to execute the client on our desktop computer, most probably. Then we will be able to see our free space in here. So we can separate some free space and we can click play, and then we will be able to start mining for this project. If you want to get information about this, you can come to the YouTube Rivalz AI, Rivalz Z-Nodes. So there is a video around 7 months ago how to run a node on Rivalz network, Crypto University. This video is describing the situation in a good way. And as you can see in here, after downloading and executing the client, there's a button as storage control, which you can control the storage on your computer. You separate some part and then you click play and you make the node running. So we have mentioned this part as well, and we have mentioned the team as well. We have gone through the web page. We tried to understand the project. Let's now try to analyze the project, but we cannot analyze price-wise. We do not know the exact tokenomics. There are some information in the documentation. At the left menu, as you can see, the RIZ token. We can see the utility information and tokenomics information. What we cannot know all the information with the supplies. We need to see it in action after the listing on exchanges. So the project has a potential because they're creating a great infrastructure, large infrastructure, and they have raised $9 million already. So this is a promising project, but we do not know what will happen in the near future. We need to keep an eye on this project, a complex project which needs to be simpler, but it has a great potential with an innovative node running and application building system. So that is all for this video. We have tried to understand two projects. Yes. If you have questions, please leave comments and I will try to answer them. And please do not forget, nothing is financial advice in the videos. I'm not a financial advisor. Hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.